In this ukulele video, I'm going to give you another tip on how to practice your ukulele. This one is called Don't Stop. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm kind of stoked on this little series here. I'm going to give you a little practice tip in this video, but just one. Not 5, not 10, not 15, just one tip that you can take with you, think about, and then apply to your playing. And by the way, welcome. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you're going to stay up to date on the lessons, the reviews, the tips that I give here on ukulele, guitarlele, and also on baritone. And if you're over on Instagram, follow me at ukelikethepros. So this is a little series, mini series of how to practice. Been getting some emails from my customers. Those are my ukelikethepros.com customers, my premium members, just having questions on how to practice, how to get better, how to improve. And well, one, they've taken the first step. They've joined the premium membership at ukelikethepros.com. The second is they're going to watch this video. So this is going to be a real simple one. Don't stop. Don't stop. You may be one of the people I'm referring to right now, but I've heard so many times in my career as a professional musician, professional educator, doing Uke Like the Pros, Rock Like the Pros, all the stuff I do, is that people used to play when they were kids, piano, ukulele, guitar, sing, whatever, and they stopped. And 30 years have gone by, and now they're so regretful that they ever stopped, because they know if they were to just practice, even if it was just small, like I mentioned in that last video, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but 30 minutes a day for those last 30 years, they would be absolutely incredible musicians instead of starting from zero and having to work their way up again. So that's my tip for today. Is do not stop. Whatever you do, don't stop. You may not be motivated to practice every day, but pick it up anyways. You may be going through a bad time in your life. Understandable. You may be whatever it is, but pick it up, continue on, push through those days you don't want to, because in the long run, it's going to be worth it. And you do not want to be regretful for ever stopping the ukulele. All right. So there's your second tip. Thanks for being here. Leave a comment below. Tell me your story. Did you quit? I quit violin when I was a kid. Do I wish I would have continued? Yeah, I would be a really good violin player. But instead, I'm a good ukulele and guitar player. So anyway, let me know in those comments below. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you for the next tip on how to practice.